We're really happy that the school managed to stay open during the fire break lockdown because the children are in the right place to learn now. Lockdown was a really difficult time for the children in our school. Overnight, they lost things that were really important to them. They weren't able to see their friends, and they lost the routine and structure of their everyday lives. The children are back in school now. It's lovely to see it being full of laughter and chatter, and the children being happy. And that's the reason, really, why it's so important that we all continue to follow the rules. We use a digital platform for communication with parents called Seesaw. Before the children came back to school, we shared full guidance with them. Through Seesaw, parents are able to send us messages if they have any concerns about anything. The main safety measures that we have in place in school are keeping the children in class bubbles, making sure that they have regular opportunities to wash their hands, keeping the classrooms as clutter-free as possible. The children sit facing forwards in rows. The children have individual learning packs. And when they move through the school, they follow a one-way system. We have staggered start and pick-up times, and we ask that all the parents wear face masks. The other thing that we've done as a school is try and reduce the transfer of objects between home and school. Children literally bring in their coats and lunch boxes if they need them. All the parents, staff and the children have all shown real mutual respect. And I think the key to our success really has been everybody working together.